Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am now dealing with 9th class linear equations in two variables. This is what the topic, fresh topic after statistics. I am dealing with this topic. Now let us have a small understanding about what are linear equations. So what are linear equations? What are linear equations means, children? Equation means you will be having LHS and RHS. One variable will be there. So with the help of the variable, you can get the ordered pairs. So if you draw a graph for it, the graph will give a straight line like this. This linear indicates a straight line. A straight line. So all those equations which give straight lines either this way or this way or in this way, anyway, a straight line when you are getting in the graph, we call them as linear equations. So linear equations in one variable means what, children? One variable. What is this variable? Variable is nothing but it is literal coefficient. Literal coefficient. Literal coefficient means letter. So, suppose for example, you have 3x is equal to 5. This is called as, this is variable. So you have got only one variable. So otherwise you can even take root 2y is equal to 4. Anyway, anything when you are taking, if you have only one variable in it, we call it as linear equations in one variable. Now our topic is linear equations in two variables. You are having two variables. So, two variables means for children, I can take x plus y is equal to 18. This is one variable, this is another variable. These two together you are getting an equation. This is or else you can 5x minus 3z is equal to 15. You can write this. These are all called linear equations in two variables. We are going to learn this only. What is this? Linear equations in two variables. So before we will start our topic with example 1, children. What is example 1 given here? Example 1 is Sachin and Sehwag. Sachin and Sehwag. It is like this. Let me read. Sachin and Sehwag scored 137 runs together. Express the information in the form of equation. Both Sachin and Sehwag total runs they made 137. So how will you write? Let the runs made by Sachin is equal to x and the runs made by Sehwag is equal to y. Total runs, what they have given? Total runs. How much they have given in the problem? 137. Therefore, what is the equation? The equation is Sachin's runs plus Sehwag runs is 137. This is the answer for this example 1, children. Please note it down. Next one, children. Second example 2. Hema's age is 4 times age of Mary. Write the linear equation in two variables to represent this information. So let us understand the problem. What is given? Hema's age is 4 times age of Mary. So you have got Hema and Mary. So let Hema's age is equal to X years and Mary's age is equal to Y years. Then what is that they said according to problem? According to problem, the equation is Hema's age, that is X, is 4 times the age of Mary. 4 times 4 into Y. This can be written as X minus 4Y is equal to 0. This is example 2. Now we go for example 3. Example 3, a number is 27 more. It goes on like this. Let me read. A number is 27 more than the number obtained by reversing the digits. If its units and tens digits are x and y respectively, write the linear equation representing above statement. So, what is that they are saying? One number is there. If that number is reversed, the original number is 27 more than the reversed number. This is the one. Okay, what did they give? Units digit is x and tens digit is y they have given. So, what is units digit? Units digit is given as x and tens digit is given as y. Let me just, you have to write the number actually here. What is the number? So we'll have a small example with which you will understand how the number has to be written. Suppose you have got a number 38. How will you write 38? You will be writing 3 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Your expansion in lower classes. That is 30 plus 8 you are getting. So why are you multiplying it with 10? Because this is units place, this is tens place. Because 3 is in tens place, you are multiplying it by 10. So now in this problem, you have got in units place, you have got x. In tens place, you have got y. So what will be the number? See, just if it is 3, you have multiplied 3 by 10. So you have to multiply y with 10 plus x with 1. So how much you are getting? 10y plus x. So this is the number. So the number is 10y plus x. I hope I am clear to you children. Now on reversing the number is equal to, see, on reversing. What do you mean by reversing? Now on reversing, units digit becomes tens digit, tens digit becomes units digit. This on reversing, what happens children? On reversing this units and tens, if you take 38 becomes 83. Reversing this number on reversing, you are getting 83. What did you do? Units digit you have kept it in tens digit, tens digit you have kept it in units digit. Similarly here also, this is we have got units digit x, tens digit y. Now this units digit comes to tens digit comes to units digit, so that you are reversing the number. So what will be the number? This is nothing but x into 10 plus y into 1. 10x plus y you are getting. So that is the number which we will be writing. 10x plus y. Now According to problem, what is the problem says? The problem says a number is 27 more than the number obtained by reversing it. That means this number, this is original number, is 27 more than this. That means 10y plus x. If it is subtracted from 10x plus y, you are getting 37. The number is 37 or 20, 27, sorry children, it is 27. So the number is 27 more than the number got on reversing it. This is reversing number, so this is having 27 more. That means what, from this original number, if you subtract the reversing number, you should get the value as 27. So we will continue this bit here children. So this can be written as 10y plus x. Since minus is there, minus 10x minus y is equal to 27. That means 10y minus y, that is 9y. This implies, we'll keep implies sign. 9y and minus 10x plus x minus 9x is equal to 27. So in these two, 9 is common. 9 into y minus x is equal to 27. So what is y minus x? 27 by 9. 9 1s are 9 3s are. So y minus x is equal to 3. That means y minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Usually we write x in the beginning, y afterwards, and x is having minus sign. So to make the x value as plus, x sign as plus, each and every digit should be multiplied by minus sign. That is, I can even write x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. You can consider this as answer. Children, why did I do it? See, x is having minus sign. So if I write x as a first position, if I give it first position, I should write minus. But usually in algebraic expressions, it is not convenient if you write minus initially. So we wanted to make it plus. If you want to change the sign of x, you need to change the sign of each and every term in the equation. So y is having plus sign, so I have changed it to minus. 3 is having minus sign, I have changed it into plus. X is having minus sign, I changed it into plus. So this is how you will write the equation, children. I hope I am clear. Please write down this. Now, the next example, children. The next example is example 4. It is express the following in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and write the values of a, b and c. See, what is a? Coefficient of x. What is b? Coefficient of y. C is a constant term. So, these are the problems that are given. Let us see one by one. See, 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. That means you can write it as 3x plus 4y. Bring this 5 here, minus 5 is equal to 0. So, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. In this way, we have written. So, what is a, children? A is 3. And what is b? B is 4. What is c? Minus 5. Because the equation is ax plus by plus c. Here plus should come, but they have given minus. We have got minus means plus of minus. So you have to get its value as minus 5 only. This is first bit. And second bit, x minus 5 minus root 3y is equal to 0. So let us write it in an order. This implies x minus root 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. That means I have kept it in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, what is a? There is nothing here means 1. No number means 1. 1 into x it is. And what is b? Minus root 3. What is c? Minus 5. Now go to the third problem. 3x plus y, 3x is equal to minus 5. That means what? 3x minus y is equal to 0. So actually it is ax plus b only. What does this implies? 3x minus y plus 0 is equal to 0. That means in the place of c, you have to keep 0. So what is a? A is equal to 3. B is equal to minus is there. So minus 1. No number means 1 you have to take, and c is equal to 0. Next, here x by 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 1 by 6. This can be written as x by 2 means it is 1 by 2x plus y by 2 means 1 by 2y is equal to 1 by 6. That means 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2y minus 1 by 6 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 1 by 2, b is equal to 1 by 2, c is equal to minus 1 by 6. Next, fifth problem. 3x minus 7 is equal to 0. So in this case, ax is there, y value is not there. So you will write it as 3x plus 0 minus 7 is equal to 0. Why did you write it like this? 0y you write. 0y minus 7. That means what are you understanding? X value you have got 3. X coefficient is 3. Y coefficient is 0. Because y coefficient is 0, 0 into y is 0. So y is not mentioned here. Minus 7, because in the problem they are asking you compulsorily to you have to write ax plus by plus c. That means in the equation we should show x, we should show y, we should show c. So wherever that content, say in this case c is not there, we kept 0. So in this case y is not there, we have to keep 0. So what is a, children? A is 3. What is b? It is 0. What is C? It is minus 7. So I hope I am clear, children, with this. Please note it down. Now, children, the next problem. The next one is they have given it like this in your book. Example 5. Write each of the following in ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and find the values of a, b and c. The table is given in your textbook, and in this first and second problems are done by them. Why did they do it? So that you will have a knowledge of how it has to be done, because you don't have second variable, children. All these are variables. Only one variables you are having. Linear equation in one variables they are. Now you have to convert them in the form of two variables. That means if x is there, you have to find y. If y is there, you have to write about x also. Okay, so first one, when you observe x is equal to minus 5 means if you write it, you will write x plus 5 is equal to 0 now. So when you write x plus 5 is equal to 0, so x means what? Coefficient 1, and 5 you will be writing here. But where is y? There is no y. That is why 0y they have taken. So that a is 1, b is 0, c is 5. Similarly here, y is equal to 2 means y is equal to minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So you will be writing it as y minus 2 is equal to 0 you will be getting. So here there is no x. Since there is no x, in the place of x, 0 is taken. 0 plus y no coefficient means 1 they have taken. Minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is 0, y is 1. As constant term c is minus 2. So the remaining 2 they are asking us to do. So 2x is equal to 3 means You can write it as 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. When you write it as 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, y is missing. So what you will be writing? 2x plus 0y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is what you are going to write. Here x is 2, y is 0 and this is minus 3. So the next one, 5y minus 3, that means 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. In this x is missing, so in the place of x you will write x 0x plus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. So you are having here 0 and you are having this here 5 and here 3. So these are your fill in the blanks, children. They have given them as fill in the blanks. So let me underline. This is one fill in the blank you have done. This is one, this is one, this is one. Here also, this is your fill in the blank. This, all these are fill in the blanks. I hope I am clear to your children. Please note it down. This is example 5. Now, the next one is try this sums, children. You have got to try this sums in your book. So let us see this. Try this sum is also same as that of the earlier two problems. Express the following in ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form. I have changed a little bit of the framing of the problem, children. This is the one which they are asking us to do. Indicate the values of a, b and c. So here the equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 9. We can write it as 3x plus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0. So this is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So what is a? A is 3, b is 2, c is equal to minus 9. Now this you can write minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. So in this case, a becomes minus 2, b becomes plus 3, c becomes minus 6. C is minus 6. Okay, this is this problem. And 9x minus 5y minus 10 is equal to 0. 10 when it comes here minus 10. So a is equal to 9, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to minus 10. And this actually they have given it in ax plus by plus c form. So x by 2 means you can write 1 by 2x minus y by 3 means 1 by 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. If you put it in this way, it will be easy for your children. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So a becomes 1 by 2, b becomes minus 1 by 3, c is minus 5. Now, 2x minus y is equal to 0. You can write it as 2x minus y is equal to 0. But we will write it as 2x minus y plus 0 is equal to 0. Why? Because you have to write it in the form of ax plus by plus c form. You have got x, you have got y values, but c is not there. So we are keeping it as 0. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 1. This is nothing but 1y. Then c is equal to 0. These are the answers of this problem, children. Please note it down. With this, I am going to conclude my topic today. In the next class, I will be doing the other sums.